Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Coco. Welcome to the family. So it's Monday, which means we're talking fashion and lifestyle. This Monday happens to be the very last Monday of Black History Month, but with everyone packing and ready to move to Wakanda, I have a feeling that it's just the beginning of our year-round celebration of chocolate magic. Nah. Everything gotta be black or African print. If it ain't black or African print, it's not coming. You think I'm about to be left out of Wakanda? This could pass. Alright. You think we need sweaters there? You think it's cold? Nah, they got sun. Cause melanin, sun, no sleeves. Alright. So we need some leather. Some leather. I'm ready. Yeah. I'm ready. We'll go in a few months. Yeah. So to help us all out while we wait for our Wakandan citizenship to come in, I thought we could go over a few easy ways to incorporate African print. And of course, I want to thank Ahila Boutique for sending me these items and giving me a coupon code to share with you guys so that you can save some coin. Because you know that's what I'm about. So make sure to use the code Coco Goddess to save money on your next purchase. You can also find a link to the boutique and the coupon code in the description box below. So let's get into incorporating African print into our wardrobes. Trench coats and jackets are great pieces for transitioning from season to season because you can layer them so easily, but they're also great ways to add print, color, and pattern into your wardrobe. Take this trench coat for example. It has 3 main colors with some different hues, but a pretty simple color palette. Try using the whites and blues as bases for different outfits. You can dress it up by wearing a white bodycon midi dress underneath as a dinner or date night look. You can also pair it with a white A-line dress for church or maybe even a special occasion. For a professional look, try styling it with dark blue trousers. If your office is less traditional, feel free to go for a brighter hue within the color palette, like this bright blue. Lastly, you can dress it down for a girls' night out or a movie date with a white bodysuit and blue jeans. We can't forget our pop of color, so grab those fun pink sandals to go with that pop of pink in the jacket. Since we're keeping it pretty simple, why not throw in a printed top or blouse in a standout color? The great thing about this red short sleeve shirt is that it features a traditional black and cream print, but the style of it with the cutouts in the back makes it a pretty modern top. It's easy to think or feel like we have to wear African print in a more traditional fashion. But with so many new styles coming out, it's becoming easier to rock it on an everyday basis. This style is perfect for pairing with a pair of high-waist black leggings or jeans and a pair of black booties. It can also be worn with a high-waist leather pencil skirt and a pump, which means it's easy to take it from office to happy hour or from day to night. If you're weary about introducing prints into your wardrobe, accessories are always a great place to start. Printed purses and clutches are an unexpected way to rock African print without feeling overwhelmed. Like in the other examples, I find it easiest to pair a printed clutch with a piece that's in a solid color, the same hue as one of the colors featured in the print. Bonus points if you can bring out the least obvious color in the print or pattern. In this case, I chose to dress up this slouchy olive green dress with a printed clutch in a green, red, blue, orange, and pink print. That's a lot of colors. But since the green is so deep and understated, I thought that pairing a dress in the same tone would keep the look from clashing too much. You could also pair this clutch with a pink or orange or cream dress as well, since those are also some understated colors. Speaking of accessories, there are tons of other ways that you can incorporate African print that will not blow your mind or make you feel overwhelmed. Headbands and necklaces are a great way to do so. These printed chokers serve a dual purpose. So judging by its name, you can tell that it's actually meant to be a necklace, which is also a great addition to a plain outfit. It can definitely give it some zhuzh, and chokers are very much on trend at the moment. But what I like to do is I like to rock this choker as a headband. Especially when I'm rocking my natural hair out. I think that it just adds dimension to the look. I think it immediately draws your attention to my hair and to this colorful pop. And it's a more interesting version of a normal, regular, everyday accessory. So just like that, we've gone over 4 ways, technically 5, 5 ways that you can incorporate African print in your wardrobe. That's trench coats or jackets, blouses or shirts, purses or clutches, headbands, and necklaces. So 5 easy ways to incorporate African print in your wardrobe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're going to be rocking any of the 5 items in an African print that we mentioned today, please tag me so I can see your pictures. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know, comment down below and let me know how you incorporate African print in your wardrobe and what kind of videos you'd like to see. Every Monday I'm going to be bringing you guys new fashion and lifestyle videos. Yeah. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next reunion. I'll see you guys in Wakanda. Remember, whether you're dark cocoa, milk cocoa, whatever kind of chocolate you want to be, you can still come to Wakanda. We're all made out of chocolate. I'll see you guys next time.